Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another review. These are some Pastel POSCA pens that I purchased off of Amazon, and there was 7 different colors that came in the box here. I have little swatches on the bottom there, and I tested it out on, this is just regular paper, and then I have an actual small canvas right here. And first up, with the regular paper, I would recommend using something thicker just because they are obviously a liquid consistency because of the paint. And so maybe like a watercolor paper or mixed media paper. I just wanted to see for myself how it will come out on regular drawing paper. And there wasn't a lot of show through, but you will see just like a tiny bit of like peeling or ripping. So that you definitely don't want that. So again, just a thicker paper, mixed media, watercolor. You can experiment with that. My swatches here are used, or done on watercolor paper. And like I said, this one is an actual canvas, and I really liked how it came out on here. I'll show close-ups in the end, and also I have the full demonstration here too. But the colors do layer very well. Everything is nice and like opaque and thick. You can't see any of the canvas. You do have to allow for some drying time before you layer the colors on top of each other, or the tips will get all dirty, and you certainly don't want that. So you can wipe a tiny bit off. That happened to me a little bit when I was trying to use there's a little bit of like a peach and a light yellow I was trying to use for some highlights, and I left some white of the canvas, and for shadows I was already thinking ahead to use like either the blue or the purple, and I went ahead with the blue. And of course, you know, the southwestern vibes with some of the abstract patterns there with the zigzags and the stripy patterns. Overall, I really like them, and especially the pastel ones. I've used the regular colors in the past, but I thought these colors would be really fun for the spring and summertime. And again, real quick, it's like a rosy pink, like a mint green, a little bit of a peach, like a lilac, purple, yellow, a lighter pink, and a blue. And they are Japanese markers, so everything that's like written on the package is in Japanese. So I don't really see any colors on here though. That's why I just describe them to the best of my ability there. And also like what's shown on the cap, because even on the marker itself, everything is in Japanese. So yeah, overall I really like them. They were very inexpensive. They were, I think, $12.80 off Amazon, plus, you know, shipping is dependent where you are. And they do have larger packages like these. These were just the seven markers in the pastel shades was this particular one, and they came in this cute little box. It's just like a little cardboard box, but it's definitely something you can keep. It's sturdy. There's a little window there so you can see all the colors. And yeah. Also, you can use these on a wide variety of materials. Like you can use them on wood or rocks, probably like glass, metal. So there's lots of different things that you can experiment with these on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review and quick tutorial, and be sure to like the video and subscribe.